Okay, in this problem we are asked to calculate x and y in this diagram. The easiest one to start with, I think, would be y, because we've got an obvious triangle there based around that angle and that side and the hypotenuse there. So let's work with that. Looking at the sides, y is the opposite side to the angle and the long side here is the hypotenuse. So we'll be working with the opposite and the hypotenuse, which makes this a sine problem. So let's write up the sine expression. Sine of 25 degrees equals y, opposite, over the hypotenuse, which is 10 plus 5 or 15 metres. Therefore, 15 times sine 25 degrees equals y. And that gives us a result of y equals 6.34 metres. Now let's turn our attention to calculating x. There are a couple of ways of doing this, and most of them involve several steps in solving for sides around the triangle. But what I would like to do is to take a short approach by doing a little bit of construction. Let's put a line across there like that, right angles, and that line will be the same length as x. This angle here is going to be 25 degrees, and labelling the sides, we will have the opposite, the hypotenuse, and the adjacent, which is the one we're trying to discover. So what we're working with here will be the unknown adjacent and the hypotenuse. So it will be a cosine problem. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So let's write the cosine expression here now. Cosine of 25 degrees equals the adjacent, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which in this case now equals 5 metres. Rewriting that, 5 times cosine of 25 degrees equals x, and that gives us a value of x, a value for x of 4.53 metres.